What's up, boy? You got enough wind left for some ball work? Come on, lean back. We just went on about a 40-minute walk. Spring right here. I want him to work with this ball. Come on, son. Hey, Mandinka. Mandinka. Hey, come here. Look. Look at that ball, son. Look at the ball. There you go. There you go. There you go. Let's work. There we go. Good boy. Good boy. Damn, he always got to take it. Way the hell why I got to chase his ass. Good boy. Good dog. I'm just trying to see how much wind we got left. Good boy. Don't push it behind that fence, man. Please don't push it back there. Just pushing it back there. There, get it. Good boy. There you go. Dig. Let's dig, son. Dig. Dig. Good boy. Good boy. That's my dog. Get it out of there, son. There you go. Get it out of there. There you go. Good boy. Get it out of there. Good boy. That's my dog. Don't take it way back there, Dinka. Don't take it way back there, man. Move, move. Let me get back there. God damn it. He done pushed that shit. And he's pushing it further and further. He's gonna get it stuck.